y'all, back once again. And this time I've got another accessory, and I purchased this from Macy's, and it's been quite a, I done had this for a minute. Let me show you what it is. Ta-da! It's the little coin case, and I have been wanting one of these for a while, and they end up having this one on sale, and I don't remember how much it was on sale for, but I want to say it was like $20 or $30. So I end up snatching this up, and I didn't realize these were as big as they were, but hey, it'll work. So there it is, and these come in a lot of different colors also. I have it stuffed. Here's the little tag, and this is the color Deep Red, and it retails for 50 bucks. And like I said, I think I paid like 20 something, but with tax and all, I think it was like 30 something. But people are selling these all the time, so there it is. And you can stick, it's a coin case, but you can stick money in there. You can stick, let me see if a sanitizer. Yep, a hand sanitizer will fit in there. I think this, yeah, sanitizer fit in there, and then you probably get like some lip chap in there too, along with your little coins. But just wanted to show you all that real fast. Nice size coin case, and I might use this in my my Coach Cassie, the which one, the Oxblood one. Even though this is Deep Red, but hey, it don't matter. But yeah, just wanted to show you all that, and see you in a minute.